Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing so well. So guys, today we are making this coconut native jollof rice. It's a 3-in-1 combo. You can see how the face of this rice is. It's so amazing. Instead of you to cook coconut rice separately, native rice separately and jollof rice separately, you can just combine all in one pot. And guys, this is so easy to prepare. So sit tight and watch as I prepare this. So guys, if you are following me for the first time, I say thank you so very much. If you have been here, I also thank you too. Keep liking, keep sharing my videos, and guys, let's start cooking. So guys, for this our 3-in-1 combo rice, what we need to do first is to bring in our tomatoes, shongbo, tatashe, onions, ginger and garlic. The peppers are all deseeded. So what I'll do now is to pour them inside this pot and I'll boil them for some time. But if you want to roast them, you can take them to your air fryer or into your oven and then fry. My tomatoes are looking like this because they have been in the fridge for some time, so I had to take out the water. So I'm adding habanero pepper. I always say you can add as much as you can tolerate. So now I'll take it over to the gas cooker and let it start boiling. So guys, while the tomatoes is boiling, I get my pot, I get my chicken or any protein that you want to use. Marinate it with your choice. So I'm going to be using my green marinade. In here I have ginger, parsley, garlic, thyme, rosemary, salt, onions, spring onions and some vegetable oil. Then I have some salt here. I always have this in my freezer whenever I want to cook my chicken. So I'll just add in a bit of salt now, just little. Then I'll combine everything together. Then you can now take it over to the gas cooker and then let it start cooking. Just have to combine it very well so that all the marinade will enter into the chicken very well. Or you can even keep this overnight or keep for like 30 minutes before you start to boil so that you have a very sweet chicken. So guys, the tomatoes is cooked now and I brought it out, allowed it to cool so you don't spoil your blender. So you put inside your blender to blend. But for you to have a very delicious combo, you can boil with your coconut milk. You can use the store-bought or you can make it by yourself. I made this one myself. So you now blend it with the tomatoes. So guys, the chicken is cooked now. So at this point, you can either fry your chicken in cooking oil or you can just air fry it. So I'll be air frying mine. So you can see the air fryer bucket. I'm just putting them inside the air fryer bucket so that I can air fry it. So guys, while our meat is still air frying, let us start. On the fire, I changed the pot because jollof rice, you have to use I normally like to use my iron pot for it. So I'll add in some palm oil. You know, it's a 3 combo in one pot: native rice, jollof rice and coconut rice. So I'll add in some cooking oil. I have to mix the two so that I'll have that feeling that I'm looking for. So while we wait for the oil to get hot, let me test if it's hot now. Okay, let the oil be hot before I pour in the onions. So the oil is hot now. I'll pour in my chopped onions and allow it to fry. To fry very well. You can see the onions is still frying. So because I want a flavored oil, I'll add in some thyme, I'll add in some curry powder, Allow it to fry a bit. You're just trying to build up flavor. Then I'll add in some salt. You stir very well. Then at this point, you bring in your tomato paste. You allow it to fry very well to take out that sour taste. Allow it to fry until they start separating. Sorry guys, I didn't know my mic was off. So after the onions fried, I added in thyme, I added in curry, I added in salt. I just wanted to flavor the oil. After that, I now added the tomato paste. Let it fry very well until that tangy taste is out. You can see it is still frying. At this point now, I'll bring in our blended tomatoes with the coconut milk. So this is what it looks like. So I'll combine everything together. You know, we already boiled the tomato, so you don't need to cook for a very, very long time. So this is what we have. I'll cover the pot and then let it cook. Let it cook or let it fry some more. So guys, this is what we have. So at this point, I'll bring in the chicken stock. I already sieved it to take out the particles. At times you can have some broken bones or the particles from the marinade. Then I'll add in some more coconut milk. Then I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'll add in the bay leaf for more flavor. Then I'll stir and stir, check in if the salt is okay. If it's not okay, then I'll add in some more salt because we are going to trap in the egg to cook our 3-in-1 combo jollof rice. I'll just add in some more salt. There's no salt. I think that is okay. So at this point now, I'll bring in our thoroughly washed rice. I didn't parboil the rice. I just washed it with hot water, and I'm using our Nigeria local rice for this our combination. So I've added the rice now. All I need to do is to stir it so that all the grains will have a feel of this our delicious juice. So I'll cover the pot now and let it heat up a bit before I trap in the egg. At this point guys, you can see what we have. We still have some water in there. So what I will do now, the pot is already bubbling up. I'll now reduce the heat because we are going to be trapping in the steam. To use the steam to cook very well. I don't want to add too much water in it. So I'll cover with my foil paper to trap in the steam. I've already reduced the heat so it will now start cooking gently. So guys, after 20 minutes I've come to check the rice if it's cooked. And if it's not cooked, I'll just add in some more coconut water, cover it again and let it cook fully. So guys, this is what we have. Let me just pierce the rice like I normally check. Okay, it's still a bit hard. So what I'll do now, I'll add in some more coconut water, coconut milk. So I'll cover the pot again. At this point, the heat is so reduced. So my people, after 8 minutes, I added the last coconut milk. I've come back to check if our rice is cooked. So guys, and this is what we have. Oh boy, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. So guys, at this point, Please take time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and also follow me. So guys, at this point now, I'll bring in some scent leaf and some chopped spring onions. This is the scent leaf, you know, it's a 3 combo we are making. Then this is the scent leaf, the chopped spring onions, and then I'll combine everything, and our coconut jollof native rice is ready. Wow, I can't wait to dig into this. So just stir to combine very well, then you can turn off the heat, let the steam cook the scent leaf and the spring onions. I'll turn off the heat now, guys. Serve and enjoy. So guys, get your spoon ready. Let us dig into this. Coconut native jollof rice. This is what we have today. You can pair it with any side dish you want to pair it with. So bring your spoon, bring your spoon, bring your spoon. This is so delicious. Guys, I want you to try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Keep liking, keep sharing, subscribe and follow me. Thank you so very much, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.